So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to connect Instagram to Discord account. So if you want to link Instagram account to Discord, this video is for you. First of all, after you open up your phone now, all you have to do now, go ahead now and open up your Instagram to copy the link. So I'll open my Instagram like this now. I'll copy the link of my Instagram before I go to the Discord. So after you open up as you can see now, Instagram like this now, tap on your profile. So now long press your hand on your profile and copy the link. So now tap on this copy link. After you copy the link of your Instagram account, now go back to your Discord. Open the Discord app like this. After you open the Discord app like this, now all you have to do now, tap on this, as you can see now, profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on this profile, now go to this, as you can see now, this session edit profile. So under this edit profile, all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down, scroll to down. So in this section now, it says about me. So as you can see now, here is my description. So tap on this section. So now all you have to do now, just scroll to down and paste in the link in this section. Paste in the link like this now, as you can see now. Now here is the link. I paste in the link in this section now. Tap on this save button. So as you can see now I added my Instagram link, as you can see now, to my Discord account. Now whoever now tap on this link now, it will take him to my Instagram account. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys.